Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we will learn how to share your Instagram link on WhatsApp. First of all, go to your Instagram application and then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now you can see share profile button. Tap on it and you can see your QR. You can see copy link on right side and share profile on the left side. Tap on copy link, then you can see link copy to clipboard. Now go to WhatsApp, open the chat box of the person you want to share your Instagram profile link to, and then simply paste the link and send it to the person. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you, and please do subscribe for similar contents.